This 2018 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40cc triple slide front living island kitchen is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a chestnut, tan, brown classic neutrals, interior, sleeps 4, skylight, TV, slideout, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40cc triple slide front living island kitchen is 12,141 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.